What is quantizing? Quantizing is locking MIDI notes or events to a defined grid. When you perform music on a keyboard or any instrument, it's never exactly perfect timing or lining up with the grid or bars and beats. Quantizing moves your notes to the nearest grid value, 16th note, 8th note, etc. Here is a regular human performance. Notice how notes are before or after the beat or grid lines. We quantize it, and now all of the notes have moved to start exactly on the beat or grid line. The two most important controls are grid value and strength. Grid value is defining the resolution of your grid. Are you quantizing to the nearest 16th note or the nearest quarter note? If you are only playing quarter notes, why risk quantizing to a spot that's a 16th note away from your quarter note? You can also choose triplet or 3 in the time of 2 grids for shuffles or triplet grooves. Watch what happens when we try to quantize a bunch of 16th notes to a quarter note grid. Now they're all on quarter notes. Strength is the percentage of how fully it will move your notes to the grid. So far we've done everything at 100%, but if we quantize at 50%, it will move the note halfway from its original position to the grid. 25% would move the note a quarter of the way to the nearest grid line. Notice how this lower percentage maintains more of the original human imperfections. Some styles of music demand 100% quantization, while others require a more human performance. Quantizing is a very useful tool that can help create perfect timing, lock in the groove, or make a lackluster performance sound great. Also, it's pronounced quantize, not quanticize. Check out some of our videos linked below if you'd like to learn how to quantize in your DAW.